Recently, I asked the important question of what should we name my new truck? So in honor of the Red Green Show, people seem to think that the name Green was the best option. So I went ahead and set out to the local Quinte West Public Library, and I met up with my new fishing buddy, Krista.
How are you?
Awesome! So you're hoping to make a green decal for your truck?
Yes.
Yes. So have you ever used a Cricut before?
I've never used a Cricut before.
So I have a computer set up for you, and
Okay.
I can kind of walk you through.
So in their makerspace there, Krista was able to actually teach me how to use a Cricut machine. And with that, I was able to go on the computer and make a decal for the truck, and even make it as big as I wanted. Now this stuff here is like a vinyl material, but it's a close second to duct tape when it comes to stick-it-to-it ability. So after some struggling and getting it all sorted out here, it was finally time to be able to put it on the truck and see how it looks. So before I go, I had a little gift to give you guys for the library. So we've got a book. We're all in this together from Steve Smith, as well as a signed photo of Red Green himself with held together with duct tape and everything else too.
Thank you!
And they also suggested that we could do some like duct tape meet and greets here in the future. So let me know if that's something that you'd like to see. And remember, tight lines and keep your stick on the ice.